Recently, Honorable Supreme Court has dismissed the SLP filed by the Revenue against Bombay High Court judgment, wherein Bombay High Court has quashed a penalty so-called notice of 3,731 crore rupees issued to the employee who is a taxation manager of a shipping company, Musk. In that so-called notice, they have levied the penalty under section 122 subsection 1A towards wrongful availment of ITC Input Tax Credit by the company, and section 137. What department has alleged that this employee concern has aided the company for committing the specified offences, and thereby they have levied this 3,731 crore rupees penalty notice read by section 137, and wherein it was alleged that he was the person in charge at the time when offence was committed. Bombay High Court quashed that so-called notice, and the so-called notice itself on a ground that section 122 subsection 1A is, though starting with any person, if you look at the provision, is starting with any person who aided in committing the offences and retaining the benefit out of it for specified offences under section 122 subsection 1 Roman 1, issuance of invoice without supply of goods or services. Roman 2, issuance of invoice without supply of goods or services. Roman 7, wrongful availment of ITC, and Roman 9 under section 122 subsection 1 is the disputed credit by ISD distributor in violation of relevant provision under the GST law, section 20, and rules made thereunder. What Bombay High Court has given reasoning why this 122 subsection 1A is not going to be applicable, for the reason that whatever offences are being prescribed, it is with respect to taxable person. And taxable person under GST law is who is registered or liable to be registered under section 22 or 24 of CGST Act. Employee concern is not liable to be registered in GST law. Thereby, this section is excessive jurisdictional overreach. Hence, this so-called notice for the penalty of 3,731 crore rupees is overreach. Pertaining to section 137, when department is alleging that this tax manager was in charge at the time when offence was committed, it was stated and argued before Bombay High Court, which was accepted by Honorable Bombay High Court, that they have issued so-called notice under section 74. And 74 notices, even though related to fraud, can be issued only for non-payment of tax, short payment of tax, wrongly availed credit or utilized credit, or erroneous refund. So any penalty which is being prescribed under section 137, you can't issue 74 so-called notices, and thereby Bombay High Court has quashed that so-called notice of 3,731 crore rupees issued to the employee concerned who was a tax manager. Revenue has filed SLP before Honorable Supreme Court, and Honorable Supreme Court has dismissed the SLP and uphold the Bombay High Court judgment, saying that Bombay High Court has given proper cognizant reason while quashing that so-called notice. An employee was only employee concern. No liability can be fastened on him. So keeping question of law open pertaining to these two provisions, the SLP filed by Revenue got dismissed by Honorable Supreme Court. It's worth noticing that we have seen in GST law, normally department levy equivalent amount of penalty on employee concern. And question H, whether employee really retained the benefit to the tune of wrongful availment of ITC which is alleged on a company. An amount was hefty amount, 3,731 crore rupees. Worth noticing, a detailed newsletter and my earlier video on same topic when Bombay High Court passed this judgment is been given in the description box, which you can watch for your detailed digest. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.